Today, we're making the coziest citrus spice syrup. And honestly, your whole kitchen is about to smell like a holiday candle in the best way possible. So let's grab everything we need and get started. This comes together really quickly. Things you need to make this syrup, and all the directions are mentioned in the description. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a saucepan. Into that, pour in your freshly squeezed orange juice. This is about 3/4 of a cup squeezed from 2 oranges. Along with that, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of water. Now let's go with our sweeteners, which are 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Use a small whisk or a wooden spatula to give it a good stir over medium heat until all the sugar dissolves. Yes, like that. Nice and smooth. Next, toss in 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, which are about 1 inch in size, along with 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced fresh ginger. Here come the elements that make this syrup a zesty delicacy. Go ahead and add the zest of 1 large orange, along with the zest of half a lemon. I used freshly extracted zest for the best flavor. To make this recipe more festive, I used 2 whole cloves with 1 star anise. The star anise is actually optional, but I use it anyway for the best. By now my kitchen has already started to smell like Christmas, and I think that's where the real magic happens. Now bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Remember, don't let it boil hard. We want those fresh orange notes to shine. Let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens slightly and the aroma fills your kitchen. If you've been enjoying this recipe so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more delicious creations. Don't forget to tap the bell so you'll always catch our latest recipes. Now, once your syrup reaches the desired thickness, just take it off the heat. Here goes the finishing touches of our delicious citrus spiced syrup, which are half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and just a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Do not skip the final 2 ingredients I added because they give this recipe so much flavor and brightness. Now strain the syrup through a fine sieve to remove all the spices and zest, leaving you with this beautiful golden liquid. Let it cool completely. Alrighty, last step, pour your syrup, which should give you about 1 cup, into a clean glass jar or bottle. Pop it in the fridge, give it a little shake before you use it, and just imagine all the ways you can enjoy it. In your tea, over pancakes, with yogurt, or even drizzled on some roasted fruit. Honestly, it makes everything taste a little bit more magical.